Good morning, everybody. Mike Vacchi, Princetontrader.com, here with your Tuesday market webcast. Okay, so we talked about the 9-day. We talked about weekly pivot yesterday. We have been well below it, well above it, and now we're basically resting underneath it, back to it. Price, we're trading right around 32.20 right now, right in the area of the daily pivot. Weekly pivot's at 26.08. It had traded, let's just go, so you can see right here, you can see the blue line, that's the 9-day. Price has been interacting with it the last 3 days. We talked about if the bears were able to convert this area, make some lower lows, they could be able to go back to the hourly mid-band. They tried that off the open yesterday, and then they basically took it up on them almost immediately. It's a good trading day. I'm not complaining about the trading, that's for sure. It's a lot of volatility, and you're going to see some indecision in and around that 9-day. Okay, so hourly chart, 9-day, weekly pivot, still locked up. You can see, they took it down as low as 92 Sunday night. They tried to spike it down a little bit off the open yesterday. The best they could do was 32.07, and then they made a higher low here, and then they just took it on up into the close, up into Globex. What's surprising is the bears fought back. So starting at about 11 o'clock last night, they glide it back into hourly mid-band, and then early this morning they make a move. They came back up to test weekly pivot. So far that's held. And if they can hold this into the open, then it opens up a move back to the Sunday lows, potentially, down at 92. They can absolutely get that done. What do the bulls want to do? Well, they'll let them have their little pullback into the open, and then they want to take this area out, take out the Globex highs, and get back to what they were trying to accomplish yesterday's close into Globex. It's just a great big battle over a lot of large areas there. In the 32.20 to 32.30 area. I'll add a few more levels to it. You've got volume weighted average price at 32.40, hourly mid-band 31.38. Again, the weekly pivot's at 26. Our proprietary mid-band's at 25.5. You got the daily pivot there at 20, 5-minute mids at 21. So 20 to 32, 20 to 32 at its widest is a chunk of price that's going to have to make a decision today. If they can't make a decision right away, then your open this morning is going to be pretty choppy until it decides what it wants to be. Where do the bears want to go? They want to go back to 92. Where do the bulls want to go? They want to take out 50 and start working on that 84 from back on Thursday. All right. Everybody have a fantastic day. Be safe, be healthy, take care, trade them well. Talk to you tomorrow. Follow us over on Twitter, Instagram, and Snapchat at Princeton Trader. Check us out on Facebook and join us for a free trial at www.princetontrader.com. Trade them well.